Hi guys. Okay, we're going to start with step 2 and let's just get right into it. Okay, here we go. I realized that you're going to need one more tool, and that is like some playing cards. I've got some playing cards here, or if you've got a flexible kind of credit card, that's going to help you really get a smooth surface that is tight and uniform. If you go ahead and zoom in and look at this, the right side of this heart is a lot smoother and the left side of the heart is a lot more bumpy. So I took like 3 playing cards that I don't really need or use. I won't use. If you've got like a plastic credit card or a thin library card, look at that. Look how you can just, boom. It just takes a little bit of smoothing. I'm going to rotate this heart around and look at the difference between this surface and this bumpy surface, right? So let's go ahead and tighten this bumpy surface up by using the playing cards as if they were a metal rib. Okay. Now, one of the things that is critical, especially early on in the creation of this heart, is that you keep those palms moist, because you're going to handle this heart so much, and if you don't keep your palms moist, your palms are going to draw out all the moisture out of the heart, and it's going to become leather hard or bone dry before you know it, and you won't be able to maybe make a cool texture. Okay, so you really have to pay attention to this heart. It should always feel cold and sticky. One more tip. Hold it mostly with your fingers. See how I'm avoiding holding it in my palm? If you hold it in your fingers have less surface area, and they will dry, it won't dry out your palm as quickly as your fingers will not dry out your clay as quickly as your palm. All right, good. That's a great first step for smoothing out your heart form. Thanks, guys.